The most common thing I hear from agents when I talk to them about the advantages of including Matterport, buy side, sell side, doesn't matter, is I don't like that. And every time I hear that, to me, it's like ripping the wings off of fairies. Like there's like a part of me that dies inside because I'm like, here's the main point. It's not for you. No one cares if you like it or not. That's not the point in any of this. It is for the consumer. And the consumer does like it. How do I know? Because I've talked to them about it. Right. And at the end of the day, one of the biggest discrepancies, and we were chatting a little bit about this before, is that agents have to stop looking at what we like and need to start identifying what the consumer wants and needs. And I will explain it like this. How many times have you attended a consumer panel? I'll wait. Not once, never. Now, you don't think it's weird that this industry, who we work with consumers all day long, not once ever wants you hearing from the actual people that you work with every day? Well, that's one of the biggest problems that exists within the industry in real estate right now. And these tools are consumer-facing tools that consumers like. So why would I not be leveraging an advantage at that point in time to understand how do I incorporate that? And the reason it's important to me is because when I bring a panel like that on, and when I bring a tool, on like that, the thing that I'm showing people is that I have a distinct point of differentiation. One, we can have any agent come in here, take photographs, create all those crappy tours, which is like a slideshow from 1988. I mean, that stuff hasn't changed since the Reagan administration. Okay. You can do that. And people spend on average about 14 to 28 seconds in total on that process. The second part then is, would you rather have 14 to 28 seconds of time that someone looks at your property or 2 to 4 minutes on average? What do you think would be more advantageous for someone to build and feel a connection to your home? Because that's the difference between me offering the ability for me to do a Matterport tour on your house versus the same thing that everyone else is doing.